The daily code snippet. Since the color property sets the color of the foreground content of the selected element, when applied to a text element, such as paragraph text, it will apply color to the text itself. In addition, the color will also be applied to other aspects of a text element, such as an underline or an overline, that may be added to text using the text decoration property, which will be discussed next week. We discussed the different ways to apply color previously. Color can be applied using various color systems, such as using color names, the RGB or rgba system, the hexadecimal color system, or the hsl or hsla color system. When applying color to the text inside an element, it is applied to all text as a single entity. In order to apply a different color to a subsection of text, you must wrap that into another element, such as a span element or a strong element, or by using pseudo-elements, which will be discussed at a later time. But as examples, : first line will select the first line of an element's text, : first letter will select the first letter of an element's text, and : selection will select the text currently highlighted by the cursor. Here's the CSS from our code sample page. .color, color gray. .new color, color RGB 0, 128, 0. Block quote, font size 20 pixels, font style italic, line height 1.5, color green. .color, : first line, color hsl 120, 100%, 25%. And here's how the HTML has been adjusted. We have added a class attribute to our P element, and as previously, we are using lorem ipsum placeholder text and have shortened it for presentation on this slide. There is still a block quote in between the paragraphs of text, and we have added a span with a class of new color so that we can show you how to add a different color to a subsection of text within an element. And this is how the text would display. Presented by Designers Learn Code.